How do I get more depth in a drawing? The foundation of coloured pencils is layering and blending. Coloured pencil artwork takes time. It's a slow medium to work with, so embrace this quality and don't rush to finish with reduced layers. I learned this early on in my coloured pencil journey when I drew this lioness. In this image, I felt she was finished, but clearly she wasn't. Looking at her again a few weeks later, I could immediately see she needed more depth and values. I continued to work on her to create a larger value range for the drawing, bringing it to a higher standard. This lesson in building up layers gave me a clearer picture of how coloured pencil must be applied to create a better drawing. You can clearly see the difference by not adding enough layers, how the first drawing is quite flat. So keep layering and blending, and that is how you get more depth in a drawing.